Hey everybody, Steve Perkins, Russ Darrow Kia. Hey, this picture is of Lynn, our office manager, and her 3 boys. They call her mother. We call her Mama Lynn. And the reason we do is because every day she shows us nurturing, caring, loving, passion, and thoughtfulness. But this weekend, it's not just about Mama Lynn. It's about all the mothers. And we at Tosa Kia want to say we love you, appreciate you, and today we celebrate you. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
3.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Hey, happy Mother's Day. All you beautiful mothers, enjoy your special day.
It's Mother's Day.